I've got some fantastic news that will leave you amazed. Are you ready? Here it is. By simply dedicating just 30 seconds each day to this powerful prayer technique, your life is about to take a remarkable turn. You won't believe the positive changes that will unfold within a mere 30 days. But hold on, there's a twist. If you choose to ignore these steps, well, then brace yourself for attracting exactly the opposite through your prayers. This technique comes from the teachings of Neville Goddard, and let me tell you, it's powerful. Neville Goddard says, when you pray, enter into your closet. Now hold on a second, he's not talking about your wardrobe, he's actually referring to something much deeper. He's talking about renouncing the limitations of your outer circumstances and entering the kingdom of heaven within yourself. It's about shutting the door on the distractions of your five senses. Picture this: you close the door of your metaphorical closet, shutting out the noise and limitations of the world. And in that sacred space, you enter the feeling of your prayer already materializing. It's about immersing yourself in the sensation of having your desire already fulfilled. That's when the universe starts to answer your prayers. Neville teaches us that prayer isn't just about what we ask for, it's about how we prepare to receive it. In Mark 11 verse 24, the Bible says, "Whatever things you ask when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you will have them." We've all heard these words before, but they carry a deeper meaning than we realize. So, let's break it down. Prayer is about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and consciousness with the desired outcome. See, it's not just cute little words, it's about creating a mindset of belief and expectancy. And you know what? This isn't just spiritual wisdom or biblical teaching, it's actually scientifically proven. Let me explain. There's this mind-blowing concept called the observer effect. Scientists have discovered that at the subatomic level, our observation and consciousness influence reality. Isn't that amazing? Now here's a simple prayer technique you can try. Start by expressing gratitude. Say, "Thank you for hearing me and blessing me with everything I could ever desire." Feel that gratitude deep within you. And then, with a specific desire in mind, visualize it. And when you do this consistently and practice this prayer technique daily for just 30 seconds, your life will never be the same. You're here for a reason, watching this video. Maybe you've been praying for something. Maybe there are things you've wanted but they seem out of reach. Well, get ready because this technique can transform it all. But before we get started, let's kick things off by smashing that like button and leaving a comment down below. Remember, you are the creator of your reality at the subatomic level. Now let's jump right into Neville Goddard's most famous quote, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled." What does that really mean? It's about truly experiencing what you desire within yourself, deep in your core. When you possess it in your own feelings, it's bound to manifest in your life. Your consciousness has the power to influence reality all the way down to the subatomic level. How amazing is that? Alright, let's put this into practice with a simple prayer technique that takes just 30 seconds. Are you ready? Here we go. Start by saying, and I mean exactly like this, "Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for blessing me with everything I could ever desire, the money, the love, the businesses, the relationships, the health, and the happiness. I am so grateful." Repeat this affirmation a few times until you truly feel its spirit. And now it's time to add your specific desires into the mix. How? By impressing a picture of it onto your own imagination. Here's a simple trick to make it even more powerful: print out a photo that represents your dream. It could be a cozy cabin, your dream car, beautiful relationships, vibrant health, or even your dream house. Hold that photo on your lap or in your hand when you sit down for this practice. If you can picture things clearly in your mind, go ahead and close your eyes. Imagine the printed photo on the screen of your mind. But if visualizing is a challenge for you, no worries. Just keep your eyes open and focus directly on a sheet of paper. Pretend, this is my dream cabin. I'm looking directly at it, taking it all in. And now, let's repeat the prayer together. Repeat after me, thank you for hearing me. Thank you for blessing me with everything I desire, money, love, businesses, relationships, health, and happiness. I'm grateful for it all. I already have it. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Now imagine you're playing a body language game with the universe. Picture this, the universe is eagerly waiting for you to prepare yourself to receive your desires. So how would you behave if you knew your dreams were coming true? You'd be smiling, right? You'd be excited, happy, and filled with gratitude. You'd say, thank you, universe. So, while you're repeating the prayer and looking at your dream photos, put on a big, beautiful smile. Let's use the power of body language. Smile from ear to ear. Feel the joy and happiness. Let your smile send a message to the universe that you're ready to receive it. Remember, to those who have more, more is given. It's all about the observer effect. Now let's focus on your posture. Sit up straight with your spine aligned. Your spine is the gateway to the universe, the energy tunnel that connects you to your dreams. Take a moment to relax your shoulders, feel your feet grounded firmly on the floor, and lift your head up high. Feel the confidence, my friends. You're ready to embrace the abundance coming your way. Can you feel it? I hope you're feeling amazing right now because you deserve it. Your dreams are within reach, and it all starts with your beliefs and body language. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.